Hello and welcome to this course. Now we have been discussing about how we get started in the financial model, and the first step was to understand about the business and making a list of whatever activities are involved. So to achieve that, you need to have a structure so that you don't forget anything in how you are going to make the business. And we are going to use this process in our practical example that we will be using. So the first thing you need to understand about the business is to follow the business model concept. So you need to understand what goes into the product, means what are the recipe, how you're going to make the product or services, what things are involved into the deep details, where the product is coming from, where the raw material is coming from, who are the main suppliers, what are the what are the normal prices, what is the recipe, what is the composition of the different items into the product, and then how you are going to make it product. You are going to make it manually, how many peoples will be involved, are you going to make it by machine, what is the capacity of the machine, what are the processes, how many steps, how many processes are involved into the product, is it fully automated, is it semi automated, it is by manual, is there any third party involved in processing, are you using any ready-made product into the as a raw material, or you are just making everything by yourself. So that also you need to understand, so that we can understand really what is the maximum capacity that we can have, what type of machine do we need, and what are the different technologies available into that space who are making the product. Because when you are starting a new business or planning a new business, you need to understand really how you're going to make a product, what are the different technologies involved, what are the cost and revenue implications, what are the capacity implications of those different technologies, different machines, so that you can make an evaluation which one you want to use, which one the business want to use, what would be the most beneficial aspect. Then you need to understand how you're going to deliver the product, right? So once you have made the product, how you're going to deliver it, what would be the marketing, sales, distribution, are you going to open a shop somewhere, are you going to deliver sell it to a wholesaler, or you are going to deliver it online, you are going to deliver it offline, you are going to deliver to the home, or the peoples will come to your product. So that way will be decided what should be your marketing cost, what should be your distribution cost, what would be your logistics, shipping cost, and everything else. So delivery is another aspect. How many customer you think you will buy, and where you are going to get them, how much price you are going to charge them, right? So so that you can make a decision how the whole cycle of the product and services will work. So in order to capture this, there is a template called business model canvas, which you may want to use so that you don't miss out anything. Here is an example of the business model canvas of Apple iTunes. It's a very famous book, Business Model Generation. I have a separate course on business model canvas. You can take that if you wish like. I will provide you the link for that. But basically, it's a 9 block canvas where you are going to capture, you're going to identify who is going to be, how you're going to run your business. So it can be divided into three parts. From here is how you are going to create the value and capture the value, and how you're going to generate that. So here is the customer, means the segment of the customer, what would be the market. For example, Apple is the mass market. Then what are the key relationships that you are going to make with the customers, how you're going to distribute the product, maybe by retail store, Apple Cam, iTunes store. What is the value proposition? So value proposition is, let's say, seamless music experience in one word, but your product may have much more value propositions. Then what the Apple is doing, what is their key activity, is hardware design and marketing. That's what they are good at. But the total resources that are needed are people's, content, Apple brand, Apple iPad hardware, then you have software. So these are the key resources. And who are the key partners? You can see the content and engagement is a key resource, but that's not the key activity of Apple. The activity of Apple is the hardware design, means Apple iPhone design and also the software design. And the brand, the marketing is also done by Apple. Peoples they already have, but the content is not their key activity. For that, they have used the another column called key partners, where you can see record components and record companies and OEMs are going to be the key partners here. So Apple is not producing anything. Apple is doing design and marketing services, while the actual production is done by third parties, content is done by third parties. They mostly control the patent and the marketing part of it, so that it's easier for them to control. Then how they are going to generate the revenue? So they are going to generate revenue by selling the hardware plus the music revenue, royalty fees. Then what, where they are going to spend on? So they are going to spend on the people, they are going to spend on manufacturing, they are going to spend on marketing and services. Content is not spending. Content is mostly on the revenue sharing. So you get the content, they share the revenue. So it's not their spend, initial spend, right? So that's how you will also create your business model canvas. If you, every business has the business model canvas, whether structured like this or unstructured in the brain, but the key idea is to capture these things, right? So these are the very important aspects whenever you are starting to do a business. So in the next videos we will be doing a couple of practical exercises so that you can actually learn and see how we are putting them into the practice.